Hello ladies, it's Mandy. How are you guys doing? Hey, we are going to do a fun little project today. Reminds me of my favorite place to go. So hey, as you're dropping on, tell me where you're from and but most importantly, tell me where you like to visit. Where do you like to travel? So again, my name is Mandy Ross with Wynn's Foxy Nests, and I'm here to inspire you to have the foxiest nest. And I'm a Chalk Couture designer, and today we're going to do something that, if you know me, I love the beach. I'm feeling kind of oceany today with my little shirt going on and ready to get back to the beach and enjoy some beach in my toes, sand in my toes, wind in my hair, the sea salt life. Yes. So but where do you guys like to go for vacation? Are you guys beach people or are you mountain people? Do you like to go like a lot of I'm from Arkansas, so I live in Arkansas, and so it's like everyone kind of seems to go to like Gulf Shores area, or they go to Colorado, to Denver. So kind of where the two vacation spots are, because you can, pretty much travel by car and get there in a day. But anyway, so that is fun. But I like to go to the beach, tropical, anything, I'm there. Just tell me when and I'll meet you. So I'm gonna do most of this white, and then I'm gonna do the teal and the beach color. So I think that's kind of a beachy vibe as well. And I'm just doing it on one of our chalkboards so that, if I want to change up the decor later, I can just wipe it off. But the chalk paste is what I'm using today. It goes on wet but dries hard, so it's there until you decide that, hey, you want a different design or whatever. So let's get this one on here and just take the squeegee and get it all over your design. And so what's your favorite thing to do when you're on vacation? Like mine, to go to the beach is just to really, I love to take a boat out. I love to go boating, and not like the intercoastal, so not like the big waves or anything, but like to go and visit all the restaurants while you're there, and have some cheeseburgers and margaritas, or the big thing there at Gulf Shores is bushwhackers. So you got to try one of those, but probably just one. One's going to be good enough for you, I promise. So what do you guys like to do but also like just go sit out in the sand by the beach and read a book or listen to some music and just really enjoy the sun. So that's what I like. But I love the mountains as well. I love to go hiking, and it's just refreshing, right? Just to get out and see all the beauty. I mean, it's just so beautiful, the different scenery, the different wildlife in the mountains. It's beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna set that to the side, and I'm just gonna peel up my top portion here so that it doesn't dry on my silk screen. And these are our silk screen transfers. Just bring that up so that the paste doesn't dry on the transfer itself, because if it does, you could possibly peel up the paint. Let me see, I'm gonna blow dry it real quick, just dry it. And if you're at home, you just wanna use your hair dryer to dry this. And it dries pretty quick. It doesn't take very long, even without a hair dryer. We're just kind of speeding up the process here. Okay. So I'm just going to lay that back down and do the turquoise. So we have about like 30 different colors. So really you could really make this unique and beautiful. I think another one that would be pretty is coral. I need to get that one. I don't have it yet. So that would be really pretty. But this one was a simple little beach sign. Life is definitely better at the beach, I can tell you that. Especially when you get all your friends there and you guys are just having a no worry type of day. Like, it is just supposed to be fun and no complaining. I didn't get my air bubble down there, so we'll have to see how that, there was a bubble in there, so hopefully it didn't ruin the bee in my beach. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so bring that up, and let's see how my bee came out. You want to bring it up from top to bottom or left to right. And if you can, oh, my bee came out perfect. I was a little worried about it. But if you can, kind of bring it straight up. And then what I'll do is I'll take this to my sink and I'll wash the paste off. And I'll let it dry with the sticky side up this way. And then I'll put it back on my backer sheet with the shiny side and the sticky side go together. And guys, these, you can reuse this up to like 12 times. So you can make yourself one, your friend one. You can make everybody a beach sign. So look how perfect that turned out. Really, seriously, in like so little time. But you know, you can make a housewarming gift, or if you go and stay at someone else's beach house, this would be a great sign. So what do you guys think of it? What colors would you use? I'm kind of interested in what you consider beach colors as well. Because I know, like, if you go, you know, West Coast beach versus, you know, the other beaches, north, south, whatever, all the other beaches, you kind of get little different vibes. I mean, some are very nautical beaches and some are very casual beaches. So what's your beach that you like to go to? And you know, what's the vibe there? What's the decor vibe? So tell me in the comments, let me know. Tell me what colors you would like to use, that you would have used if you were doing the project. And as always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by and crafting with me today. All the supplies are in my shop, so if you're interested in the supply list, just type in DIY. And if you have suggestions, like if you want to see something done, one of our transfers done, let me know. I love it. I'd love to share it with you guys, and I love even more that when you guys share your projects with me. So if you're out there doing projects, I want to see them. I love seeing how you guys decorate them and use them in your home. So have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.